The need for constant conversation, connection and correspondence has led to a velocity of information. Communication revolution has brought in a sense of urgency, and the shift from human to electronic density is a reality. Communication is the fiber in the harmony of life. Instantaneous world-shrinking communication is a possibility, and we are fast traveling on the information superhighway. Constant, relentless, ever-expanding in large scale of intermesh systems. The whole world is a perfect pandemonium, and the din of feedback loop will not subside. To adapt to this quickening pace, Microqual Techno Limited entered the world telecom market in the year 1999. If you can dream it, then you can have it. With this powerful thought, Microqual was founded to satisfy customers, offering made-in-India products that quickly made the company one of India's leading total products and service provider of end-to-end infrastructure solutions for telecom sector. Headquartered in Mumbai and with offices across the globe, we focus on exceeding customer expectations and provide product, service and solutions. The company's operations have expanded in scope, volume and surface, evolving in response to the changing market. To ensure seamless transmission of RF energy from base station to the mobile user, Microqual provides high-quality RF cables and accessories like connectors, jumpers, grounding kits and weatherproofing kits, etc. Our RF products range includes both active and passive components like repeaters, TMA, TMBs, BTS antennas, diplexer, triplexer, and IBS ancillaries, which includes splitters, couplers, omni antennas, and patch panel antennas. Our manufacturing plants at Aurangabad, Rudrapur, and China use the latest manufacturing technology, resulting in state-of-the-art output. Microqual provides complete telecom infrastructure services with expertise in engineering, procurement and construction of telecom sites along with telecom installation competency. These services extend to upgradation of existing sites, BTS swapping and others. To complete the cycle, Microqual delivers quality managed services, operations and maintenance both for active and passive elements at the site. Our reach extends across the globe as we supply men, material and intelligence for global network projects. Our list of partners increase as we pursue our strategy of providing a single source for complete network infrastructure support and build. However, this is just the beginning. True to our principles, our story of growth starts a new chapter. Our culture of continuous innovation strives to leverage cutting-edge technologies to empower clients by creating solutions that are innovative and cost-effective, thereby ensuring faster network rollout. PowerTower is a unique innovation that gives faster, greener, smarter and a more reliable site by completely eliminating a diesel generator for backup power, resulting in maintenance-free power transformer using smart power, which is significantly higher reliability compared to traditional approach with reliable OPGW backhaul and faster time to market. Microqual proudly presents one such history-making site at Kolad. Microqual offers hybrid power solutions that are renewable, installed within hours, and operate for years with little or no maintenance, fuel, or logistics. This solution, along with integrated monitoring and management solution, helps optimize power consumption and significantly reduces operational costs with shorter ROI period. With a decade-old experience in passive distributed antenna systems, increased demand for wireless coverage puts a strain on the macro network. Get focused coverage through distributed antenna system. Active DAS gives greater coverage and capacity at lower cost. Microqual has now entered into the foray of becoming a neutral host for multiple cellular operators. It is now leader in providing active and passive DAS systems for the entire wireless telecom industry. The solution of BTS hoteling or connecting remote antennas to centrally located BTS electronics has also worked wonders along with the use of fiber media to provide cellular coverage indoors as well as outdoors. This results in lower power demand, fewer batteries and smaller shelters. Microqual understands client needs to conceal their wireless infrastructure and provides cell tower concealment and camouflage solutions in the most innovative manner. As it is done outdoors, Microqual provides camouflage antennas which not only provide complete coverage but will also give an aesthetic appearance to your hotels, villas and townships. Car in a day, the rapid deployment system that is cost-effective with minimal environmental impact and can be deployed on any soil. We build the complete site in a day. Multiport antenna system gives better focus and wider coverage, providing multi-directional platform for sharing multiband and multi-operators. Microqual allows you the multiple benefits of all-in-one. Microqual Project Management System, MPMS, an online portal that manages customer projects, offering the client ease of information on a dashboard. The portal shows real-time everything about a site, offering transparency, updates and interaction to facilitate each project from status to milestone. Microqual, an ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 company that has been rated amongst top 20 fastest growing technology companies in India. Our global expansion strategies now see our presence in Nepal, Bangladesh, China, Middle East, West and East Africa, Far East and Europe. Microqual. Creating value beyond connectivity. Microqual, a company with many facets but one goal. Think big, achieve bigger.